Hey everyone, I am Sloka. Today I will guide you on how to fix Windows 10 PC icons that are missing from your desktop screen. So let me show you 4 quick solutions that will show your desktop icons that have suddenly disappeared. The first and the most basic thing you will want to do before you perform any other methods is to check if the option that displays your desktop icons is enabled. You can bring them all back in a couple of clicks. So for that, just right click on an empty portion on your desktop, then click on view. After that, check whether the show desktop icons option is enabled or not. If not, then just click upon it to enable it. The second method is select the start button and then select settings, or just press Windows plus I on your keyboard to quickly open up settings. Then go to personalization and select themes. Under themes, you can find an option called desktop icon settings. Just click on it, then a pop-up called as desktop icon setting will be visible on your screen. Just enable the tick mark in all the desktop icons here. Then click apply and OK. The third method is press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open up setting. Then go to personalization. Click on the start option. On the right hand side pane, find the option that says use start full screen. Just turn it on. After some time, turn the option back to off and see if it resolved the issue for you. The fourth method is by turning off the tablet mode. For that, just go to settings, then click on system from the menu items. After that, click on the tablet mode. Here, change the when I sign in option to use desktop mode or use the appropriate mode for my hardware. Also, choose always ask me before switching under when I use this device as tablet. Then just make it close and restart your computer. I hope this guide helps you show your desktop icons again. And if you don't have the issue at the moment, at least now you know how to fix it in case you encounter it in the future. If you try these 4 fixes and your desktop icons are still not shown, you should consider upgrading your Windows 10 operating system to the latest version. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.